If you're not an Excel user, then you will type here pass fail manually, pass fail, pass fail, pass fail. You will type all the way manually. But if you're an Excel user, then you will use if function. You have to type the formula: if b3 is greater than equal to 40, then pass, otherwise fail. So once you enter, it will give you pass. Wherever you have less than 40, it will show you fail, and wherever is more than 40, it will give you pass. So you can use if function based on your criteria, where you have some conditions and you want one condition to be true, and type your own results. Follow me for more Excel tips.